Okay. Yesterday it was in the 20s. Today it's 62 degrees. And tomorrow it's going to be in the 20s again. Snowing. And I think it's going to snow for the rest of the week. So we had this sponsor video and we just kind of want to do the video, but it's very windy out. So I'm just going to say that now. Like, it's kind of windy, but we'll take what we can take as far as weather goes. And what we have for you today to see is this, and it's pretty cool. So it's an electric utility cart. And so I've kind of got like the options that we have now. Everybody knows about the dolly. This one's kind of nice. It folds and unfolds and it can handle quite a bit of weight. And then this is like a newer Rubbermaid, kind of expensive for what they are. But Sarah uses this one probably the most now that she's gotten it. And then obviously the tried and true, never fails. Yeah, metal bicycle wheels, but she uses this one a lot too. But all of these options all have one thing in common. They don't have a motor. This one's got a motor apparently. That's a pretty good looking tractor styled tire. I mean, that's heavy and well made. The company really didn't want like an unboxing video, but I do want to say that this was pretty easy to put together. And as you can see here, it's got a pretty expensive price tag. So this is really going to be for someone that is expecting to use this thing a lot. And overall, I just want to get it out there that I do like this, but it has some flaws that we'll get into. Putting it together was really easy. Sarah was reading the directions, and really it's just bolts and pins, and it only took probably 30 minutes. I like that it lays flat too.
Yeah, you could do a flat cargo.
Like that.
What is this?
It's a motorized cart.
Cool, like Mario Kart.
Like Mario Kart. It can carry 660 pounds.
So Mom.
Yeah, it's like a motorized wheelbarrow.
It just moves on its own and pulls you along. So I could get in there and ride?
Well, they don't want people in it, but you know.
I could ride right there.
I don't want you doing that with your sibling.
All together, and I would give it a difficulty of like 4 maybe out of 10. My only suggestion would be just give us the tools to put it together. Whoa, you can run behind it. Yeah, you're not supposed to put kids in it. But I figure as long as they're my kids, it's okay. Don't put other people's kids. Like, I can actually stop it. It has just like a brake,
Nice.
auto brake.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So you can fill it with leaves right in the on the hill.
Stop it right there and then
Automatic brake. Yeah. That's so cool.
throw some sticks in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a quarter to a stick.
I'm pretty impressed that it can get up that.
Whoa, that's a big log.
Can you believe that all fell out of the tree?
I know. Wow, that's heavy.
Whoa.
Jeez. Just don't block our path to the underworld.
You're just gonna go reverse?
All right.
That's sweet.
I was thinking that I was gonna have to check them off. So that's cool. Oh, that's gonna spring.
You're pulling on it, but not as much as you would a wheelbarrow.
Right.
A wheelbarrow, you would really have to rifle out of there.
Yeah.
It's faster than you think. I walk with a pretty good pace. And right now I'm having a hard time keeping up with Sarah, which never happens. Yeah, so we'll bring the rocks. That's at least 200 pounds.
Would it be easier to put the side down and then put it up?
Probably. It's pretty simple. You couldn't drive with it with the sides down, could you? Because it would hit the tire.
Yeah, but it's got pins, so you could just do a flat.
This is where we ran into our first problem in that the steel mesh, it's not very strong, and this concrete and these rocks, they kind of dented it and bent it really quickly. Wow, that's heavy. See, and like throwing it in there, that didn't seem great for it.
Yeah. I feel like it might have broke.
It didn't break.
Yeah, I think it did.
It did?
Yeah. Definitely needs like some stronger steel in the bottom if we had a suggestion at this point.
Easy, huh? Yeah. Yeah, that could probably break the... So maybe, we can't put the front up though because this big, oh no, we can now. Here you go. There you go. There you go. What do you think? How long would it take you to move these things over here without this machine?
About 40 minutes.
40 minutes?
How would you do it?
I'll carry them.
You think you could?
No.
Like Dad and I had trouble lifting that one even into the cart.
It might take you like 4 or 5 years. Yeah, ready?
Uh-huh. Wow.
It's easy to lift that.
Yeah.
So I don't know why that would be.
That part of the design is good. Like the mechanism that drives it is great.
The dump is great.
Really,
Can you
they
back it up
just,
for me? You gotta put it in reverse first.
it's just
It's the red button on your left.
the steel of the basket is the only problem. Left hand.
Your left. Nice. Altogether, it's pretty cool. I think it's gonna be very handy.
Yeah.
So thanks for sending it to us. Thanks for letting us do this review. And if you go to make this product a little better, I think a little bit better of a throttle drive mechanism and a better basket is pretty much all you need to do. And this is it's a really cool machine.
Yeah.
Thank you.